Alright, sneakerheads, what's going on? It's your boy PM Vision 23 coming back at you with another real versus fake. I'm gonna try to knock this out for you guys one-handed, alright? Because I want to be able to show you guys the quality as much as possible, alright? So here on my left, I have the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement, the UA, size 8. And then I have the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement Authentic, size 8.5, alright? First thing, starting off with the boxes. Let's move them over here. The boxes are the same height, all right? And one thing you'll notice, the elephant print on the UA is different at the bottom versus on the retail. So it's a lot lighter here, and then it's darker on the retail. You guys take notice of the difference, all right? Stickers are almost identical. Size of stickers are identical, all right? Same thing with the Nike Air. All right, looking at the Jumpman, identical. Again, box and everything, same height. All right, taking off the lids. Again, there's really no differences between the box. Now, I will say, taking the card out of the UA, the card is different. All right, it has like this white border. It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like this. All right. So take note of that. The color is also different. All right. Looking at the paper, identical, right? This one is a little lighter though, compared to the retail. The retail is a little darker. I think what I'm gonna do is take out one shoe, and this is the seller's information. All right, disclaimer, I don't condone the sale or resale of counterfeit products. Videos for education purposes only. It's to help you guys not get scammed and to know what you're looking for if you are looking at buying on the secondhand market. All right, so let's get into the comparison. Now, what I will say right off the bat, just looking at the shoe, you can clearly tell that on the UA, which is right here, the leather is almost like a matte black, versus on the retail it's like glossy. You guys see that? It's almost like matte. That's weird. It's matte black versus the glossy black. Now, what I will say is, one thing that I did like about the UA is the way the elephant print is lining up and how it looks. To me, it looks really, really nice. This was kind of like the elephant print that was on the White Cement 3 Reimagined, compared to the elephant print we get on the retail. All right, and again, this is just one pair. There's multiple pairs out there. We may get some pairs that has this elephant print on it. You just never know. So, but yeah, I actually like this elephant print a lot more. Looking at the shape, one thing I can say is the shape is definitely off on the UA. You guys can see that. So this is the UA. You see how it kind of just curves at the top like that versus on the retail. When it comes to the Nike Air almost looks identical. The UA is just taller, I guess you could say. When it comes to the black paint though, it's identical. It's like the soles are identical. It's just the uppers that are different. But again, take a look at the Nike Air. Again, this is the UA here. This is the retail. All right, let's look at the outsoles. Outsole is definitely lighter on the UA. So you guys see that the red is really, really bright on the UA. And then when you come here, it's darker. All right. One thing I did notice on the UA is that the shoelaces are extremely long. Like that, yeah, that's crazy. The UA is shoestrings are really long compared to the retail. All right, you guys see a big difference. Even in the quality of the laces, you can tell. But I mean, even with that though, if somebody was looking to just rock this shoe and didn't want to pay retail, all you have to do is just find some black laces, throw them in there, you're good to go. All right, take a look at the Jumpman. Jumpman is stitched really well. And then when you look at the retail, almost some imperfections, but stitching is on point with that as well. Let's see. I want to pull the paper out. See what we're getting. All right, so another dead giveaway. When it comes to the quality of the paper on the UA, paper is white versus, you know, almost like brown paper bag type color on the retail. Let's see the insole. Again, you guys bear with me because I am using one hand, so. All right, we got one out. Come on. All right, two. All right. Let's take a look at the color difference. Definitely is a different color. The UA is darker. It's not as clean when it comes to the labeling of the Nike Air. And here's your retail. All right. Hopefully it's picking up on camera. It is darker though. All right. Let's see. I think let's look at the inside. This is what the inside is going to look like on your UA. Again, no stamp or anything like that. No sticker. Your retail, same exact thing, except on the retail pair, you're going to have like red. When it comes to the lining, you're going to have red. This is the UA here, so you guys can see it's like black lining. And then on the retail, it's red lining. So there's a key takeaway. Not sure if all pairs will be this way, but again, this is just, we're going based off of my pair. I like to double up on shoes, so I will double up on this one and then make another video, you know, whenever it comes to the update. But you guys let me know down below, how close do you think this is, right? I mean, to a non-sneakerhead, when they see, you know, this on your feet, they're not going to really know like that. The only difference is it's a key takeaway to other sneakerheads because it's matte instead of the gloss like it's supposed to be. But I mean, again, rock what you like. If this is something that you would go after, you know what I mean, pick it up. But yeah, I mean, compared to the retail, you know, there's no comparison, honestly. It almost looks like the shoe is fatter than the retail as well. You guys see how that toe shape is? It almost looks fatter. And for it to be a size 8 and this is an 8.5, it looks bigger than the actual retail pair. It's crazy. But yeah, you guys let me know down below what you thought about this video. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here to the next video. You guys stay blessed out there. Peace.